Actually, I was at my mother's complex, and when it was raining late at night, and I went outside to get a pack of cigarettes from my car after I cook something, right? And I usually smoke a cigarette after I eat. So when I stepped out, I stepped on the broken step of the stairs, and I don't remember much after that, because when I woke up, my shoulder was dislocated, my head was split open, and my chest was hurting. Because they were told already to fix that. My mother almost fell and she grabbed herself, and then thank God, I mean, it wasn't her. My mother's almost 60 years old, you know what I mean? I think it would have been a lot worse. And they were told twice to fix that. There was an issue with the stairs, and they never did. I looked up online at law firms which do take cases like that. I wasn't sure if there was a lawsuit going, it could be done or whatever. I don't know, something came in my head, and I just started looking up online. I called several places. I had called like 4 places before this one, and the guy that I spoke to, man, he sold it. The way he planned it out, the way he laid it out for me, I mean, it was very detailed, like he really knew what he was talking about, And then anybody else that I spoke to, they weren't really detailed about anything, They was like, okay, and this, that, I said, okay, I'll give you a call back. Guys, go back. He explained everything. He explained why we could sue, the reason, what we could ask for, because he actually told me what was going to happen after, in the future, without me knowing, like me not going to work, the stitches, my hard hat, because he asked me what I worked on and stuff. He already knew what was going to happen to me, and just like he laid it down, it did happen. I wasn't able to go back to work because my hard hat would have ripped the stitches off my face, Alexa, which was an amazing person. She took care of everything, went past and beyond the things that she needed to be done, It's so good that I have a friend of mine that actually has an accident, and then I already refer them to these people, and I know they will take care of them just as much as they take care of me, Above 5, honestly. I ain't got no reason to lie. Everything was handled the way they did it, the way they approached it. When I spoke to them, every time I meet up with them or got on the phone with them, they detailed everything to me, explain me everything and why was the reason they were doing this, why we did that, why we doing this, why we think this is the best choice for us to take. Man, 5, buddy, 5, above 5. I can't give one above it, but take a 5,